Ever feel stuck, like you're just waiting for something to happen? That was me. Then I found a simple trick that changed everything. And no, it's not the 5-second rule you use when you drop food on the floor. This one's way more powerful. See, your brain is wired to protect you from the unknown. That little voice saying, wait, or maybe later, you're not ready? That's fear talking. And the cure takes exactly 5 seconds. When you feel that urge to act, to speak up, to start something new, you have a 5-second window before your brain talks you out of it. Every single time. So here's the move. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then physically move your body. Stand up, step forward, pick up the phone. Action creates momentum, and momentum is what gets you unstuck. Every big achievement started with one tiny step, a conversation, a decision, a first move. This isn't about being fearless. Fear is natural. It's about being brave enough to move anyway. Practice it, and it becomes a habit of courage, a habit of action. Next time you feel that pull towards something meaningful, don't think, don't analyze. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Count with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Send that email. Have that conversation. Make that change. Your future self is counting on you. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and go make it happen. See you next time.